Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to withdraw money from Payoneer to bank account in 2025. So first of all you have to open your web browser and then type in Payoneer and go to their official website, and you have to just sign into your account. So after signing into your Payoneer account, you have to go to withdraw and transfer and then select withdraw to bank. And if you have not yet added bank account for withdrawal, please click on the add new button and proceed to the bank account registration. If your bank account is pending approval, they'll let you know. And if you already added bank account and it's approved by Payoneer, select the card or currency balance that you want to withdraw from, and after that select the bank account you want to withdraw funds to and enter the requested amount. If you enter the amount to withdraw, they'll automatically calculate the amount to deposit. In that case, the fee will apply to the amount to deposit. If you enter the amount to deposit, they'll automatically calculate the amount to withdraw. In that case, the fee will apply to the amount to withdraw. And if you would like enter a description, the description will appear in the transactions page in your Payoneer account. It will not appear in your bank statement. So after that, click review the details you entered, and click withdraw to submit the withdrawal request. You may be asked to verify your identity using a code if two-step verification is turned on in your account. So a confirmation email containing your withdrawal information will be also sent to you. So that's how you transfer money from Payoneer to your bank account directly. So see you on the next video.